Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add CG dropshipping to eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, to link our CG dropshipping with eBay is so easy. All we need to do is to simply go to our CG dropshipping, and from there we would be able to connect our eBay to CG dropshipping. So basically, this is an article or from the help center that we can learn from how to link the eBay account to our CG dropshipping. So simply we can go to authorization, and from there we'd find like these types or all these store that we can authorize, and from there we will be able to add them, and after that you'd be able to start listing your product from your CG dropshipping to your eBay. So here I'm just going to use go to authorization, and basically I need like just to search for eBay. I will need just to click on eBay. Then you would go to the authorization page or authentication, and basically you'd need just to connect to your eBay. So just like creating the connection or the authorization between the two, and you'd need just to wait for a while, and basically after that you'd be able to connect. So as you can see, let's just click uh, uh, never mind me, and here let's just click on no thanks, and basically I need just to click on add store again. It seems that it has been like some problem. Now it's showing like the eBay. So as you can see, it has already detected my account from eBay, and now you would need just to click on agree and continue. And basically by that, you would be able to already start using your CG dropshipping with your eBay. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.